Kumana na syiko syao yimituku syami ya Tuukenge kwithiwa yikitw'e kundu kivathukanio musyini wa Masaku silikali nikuendeea na umandana na ala methiitwe maitwaaisya syiko taisu Kwianana ovisaa ula ungamiite maundu ma syana Masaku Emily Kimanzi kana vena vata wa amwaitu kwiyumilya na kuvika iliniki kana kukwata mautao ala mailite na ingi kuteethew'a amwaitu syana itina wa kuteetheka Daniel Mongela na mauvo.
Ovisaa ula ungamiite maundu ma syana va Masaku na maithiuluko nelesekana syiko sya syana Kwikya nitondeka iketha syongelekete kumana na amwaitu kwitha mateo vika iliniki na kuitava na kukwata mautao ala mailite.
It's because they don't attend hospital where they can be able to receive prenatal services and counseling, because it is at that stage where you find the nurses who are able to advise you if you don't want to keep a baby and you feel for whatever reason, maybe it was a baby born out of incest, maybe it was a baby born out of rape, maybe it's just a baby you don't want to keep. If you start attending clinic early, you are able to come into contact with the professionals in that field who are able to take you through counseling about the baby. So I would encourage, let us not kill these innocent children. Let us follow the laid down laws and rules, and we shall have a good society for our children.
Onuwe vo ni waendeea uthingila vata wa amwaitu asu maitava makaweta na kumantha utao masivitali ethiwa maikwenda utetheka na kuoya syana ndawetekana syiko taisu syelete syiko sya musyini wa Masaku na mawithiuluko.
And if your mind is made up that you still don't want to keep the baby, then we have what we call mother offer babies. You can offer your child. You don't have to throw your baby in a pit latrine. You don't have to throw your baby in the maize plantation. You don't have to abort it. People are there's so much childlessness in the society right now for different reasons, and people are really seeking for babies that they want to adopt. And now with the care reforms, we have so many ways that these children can have families. We have foster care, we have guardianship, etc. So no baby should die. There is so much as a state department that we are doing to ensure that these children end up in families.
Kuvika vau mi ya Tuukenge ithitwe ikitu kundu ivuthukanio muno mavivane maiche kiko icio ni sikivuthukanio na muno kario bangi va musyini wa Masaku.
If you realize you are expectant and you don't want to keep the baby, kindly start attending clinic immediately and let them know in the health facility that you have issues. They will take you through counseling, because I have seen success stories where people have been taken through counseling and they changed up their mind. Some I've seen girls, they didn't want the baby when they were expectant, but once the baby is born and they see it, something just changes. So let us be our brother's keeper. I know the society right now is very individualistic. It is not easy to know who is expectant the times and who is not, because of the nature of the society.
Daniel Mongela, Mutungo TV, kuvanza wa ovisi wa syana kauntini ya Masaku.